Now we'll see how to do if the rank is repeating. If the two persons are having same rank or two or more persons are having same rank. So if that is the case, how it is to be solved? So that is repeated rank. Here the correlation factor is added with our rank correlation formula. That's all. So the formula will be R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di square plus m into m square minus 1 by 12 plus m into m square minus 1 by 12 plus etc. the whole divided by n into n square minus 1. And here m into m square minus 1 by 12 or 1 by 12 into m into m square minus 1. That is a correlation factor. Okay. So let me explain with the example. Obtain the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. So these are the data given. Just write in the tabular form. Okay. Now here find which is the highest rank. So here see the table. X, Y, rank X, that is Xi, rank Y, that is Yi, Di is equal to Xi minus Yi and Di square. Xi you have to find and Yi also you have to find. Okay, that is X value, original. For calculation the X values and calculation Y values you have to find. Rank X and rank Y. So here the highest rank for X is 80. Okay, so come in the straight line, you write Xi as 1. Next highest value you have to find. The next highest value for X is, see the next highest value is 75 and 275 are there. 175 and second 75, 2. Okay, that means 2 ranks. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. That's a fact. So you cannot write, but both are having the same ranks, right? So what you have to do is, this is a second and this is a third. So what you will do is 2 plus 3 by 2. Understood? So 2 plus 3 by 2 you will get 2.5. So for 75 you have to write 2.5 and here also for 75 you have to write 2.5. Next highest rank is 68. Okay, this is 68. Next highest rank for X is 68. So here already 1, 2 and 3 it's over. No. So for 68 you have to write 4th rank. So rank 4. And next it is 64. After 68 the highest value is 64 and 64 is 1, 2, 3 64 are there. Okay, so this is 4. So 64 1 will be 5, 6 and 7. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3. Okay, so this is 1. This is second one and this is third one, 64. So up to 4 you have completed. 4 rank you have completed. So naturally 5, 6 and 7. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3 you have to find and you will get 6. Here 6. Here 6 and here also 6. Okay. So now you have completed all the Xi values. The top rank is 81 and the second and third rank is shared by 275. Okay, so that will give 2.5 and then fourth is 68. Then 64 is shared by 3. 3 64s are there. So 5, 6 and 7. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3. You will get 6. And then the next value is after 64. It is 55. So 55 is 8th rank. Then after 55 it is 50. Top value is 50. So 9th rank. And the last number is 40. And that is the 10th rank. Now you have to, same way you have to find the value for Yi's. Yi's, the top Y value is 81. So rank 1. And the second top is 70. Next highest is 70. So rank 2. And the next highest is 68. So 2 68s are there. So that will be 3 and 4. Right. So 3 plus 4 by 2. So that is 3.5. And then fifth rank is 62. So this is the fifth rank. 62. And then after 62 you are having 60. And that is a sixth rank. 60. And then the 7th rank is 58. 7 is 58, only 158. And then 8 is 50. 8 is 50, 9 is 48 and 10 is 45. So X value and Y value got, and you have to find the value of Di and Di square. Now these are the corresponding X and Y values. So xi minus yi, you'll get di, and then you have to find di square, and then you have to find sigma di square. Okay. Now your table is complete. That is xi you have calculated, yi, di is equal to xi minus yi and di square, and then sigma di square is equal to 72. Okay, now you have to find the correlation factor. We know that correlation factor is m into m square minus 1 by 12. So just go through the x series and check which all are repeating and how many times. So in the x series, 75 is repeated 2 times. Okay, so m is equal to 2. That is correlation factor is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12, and that is 1 by 2. And 64 is repeating 3 times. So 3 into 3 square minus 1 by 12, and that is 2. So that is all about x series. And the y series, 68 is repeating 2 times. So 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12, that is 1 by 2. So you got the correlation factors. 3 correlation factors are there. These factors are added to the correlation formula, rank correlation formula. After finding the correlation factors, substitute the correlation factors in the formula, add them with the rank correlation formula. That is a repeated rank formula is R is equal to 1 minus x into sigma di square plus correlation factors. Okay, and divided by n into n square minus 1, n is 10. So after solving, you will get the answer as 0.5454. So there is a way to find rank correlation if repeated ranks are given. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you.